second graders. Okay, we are here doing DIY number 4. Okay, this one is called another brain pop, and number 3 brain pop. But this one is on landforms, and okay. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go and you're gonna listen to the brain pop, and then you're gonna pause this video. You're gonna listen to the brain pop, and then you're gonna come back to this video. Okay, ready? Set. Oh, you're looking for landforms. It's in the social studies tab. If not, go at the top and search for landforms. Ready? Pause the video. Go. Okay, so I hope that you have watched the brain pop on landforms. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to get out your crayons. Ooh, fun! Okay, so you're going to get your crayons and you're going to turn to the DIY page called landforms, okay? And so you see the globe here, a picture of the globe, and it has all the continents and obviously water around it. This dotted line down the middle is called the equator, and that is an imaginary line. It does not exist in our world, but is an imaginary line that kind of, just think, cuts it right in the middle, down the middle. So then you have the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So if you think about like taking a basketball and just slicing it in half, then you have 2 parts. Ooh, fractions. 1/2. 2 equal parts. Ooh, always fractions everywhere. Okay, so you've listened to the brain pop, and now you're going to complete this, okay? So number 1 says, what are the 5 oceans on Earth? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're just going to write the names of the oceans. If you need to go back to the brain pop, you can. Or your teacher has in the classroom one of the big books of an atlas, and that is basically just a book of a bunch of maps. And in there, there's possibly one looks kind of similar, but not exactly like it. So you're going to have to do a little reading, a little hunting to look for the different oceans, okay? But right here, you just have to write the names. You don't have to do anything here just yet, okay? So after each one, you can pause the video, color it, and then press play again. So I'll press pause so you can write the 5 oceans. Okay, number 2, you're going to color all of these oceans blue. So you're going to get your blue crayon out, and you're going to color everywhere there is ocean, okay? You're just going to do the best job that you can. Okay, pause the video, come back to me. Okay, number 3, you are going to get your white crayon, and you're going to color the continent of Antarctica white. So you have to figure out, I'm not going to tell you, you have to figure out where Antarctica is and color it white. Or you can just leave it blank. Pause the video, color it, come back. Okay, the next one, number 4, you're going to get your yellow crayon out. Yellow. You're going to get your yellow out, and you're going to color the continent of Asia yellow. Asia yellow. Pause it, color, come back. Okay, next one. Get out your red. Woohoo! Miss Warrington's favorite color. Red. Get out your red crayon, and you are going to color the continent of Europe in red. Kind of where you think Europe is on the map. Don't just guess, okay? Kind of in the same area. If you need to take this iPad and your crayons and go sit by the map, or your teacher might have a real globe, you can go look at that as well. Pause it, color, come back. Okay, here we go. Number 6, color the continent of Australia brown. Get out your brown. Brown, brown, brown. Australia, brown. Pause it, color, come back. Okay, you are going to get out your orange crayon and you're going to color the continent of North America, that's where we live, orange. Orange. Color, pause, color, come back. Okay, now number 8, color the continent of South America pink. So you just colored North America, now you got to color South America pink. Color, pause, come back. All right, now you're going to color the continent of Africa green. Get out your green crayon and color that continent of Africa green. Pause, color, come back. Here I am. Okay. The last one, oh, I just gave the answer to you earlier. It says, I live in the continent of blank. So tell me, what continent do we live on? You're going to write. Remember, this is a proper noun, so you are going to need to use capital letters. Pause it, write it, come back. Okay, so now that we've colored, this should be very beautiful. You've written your 5 oceans and the continent that we live on. You're going to turn to your research questions. And there are 3 of them that we are going to work on. Number 1, if you haven't done this yet, then we can do it together. Number 1, what continent do we live on? So you're going to write that name right here. Remember, this is a proper noun, so you're going to need to use capital letters. Write it, pause it, write it, come back. Okay. The next one, number 5, what are the 7 continents? Now you just colored all 7 of them on your coloring sheet in this packet. So in the name, each number has the proper name. So all you have to do is just go back and look. Write the 7 continents if you need to know how to spell them. Okay, pause it, write it, pause it, come back. And the last one, number 6, name the 4 oceans. Now on the recording sheet, you had to write 5. Just pick 4 of them and you're going to write them on here. Remember, these are 2-word names. And so the oceans, blank ocean. Both words are going to need to be capitalized. And so you're going to do number 1, number 5, and number 6. Good luck.